Welcome to Naray's channel of Legos. Let's build some Legos today. Get started. Then we put it like this, and then we push down. I know this is kind of hard for a child, but I'm really tough and strong, so I can do this. And then we put this two-layer piece, and then this other two-layer piece, and I need
push that middle one in better. Yeah, it's sticking out.
And then we put Do you hear my brother back there? He's still kind of a baby. He's like sick. He's like 6 months. So, alright, now and he's kind of annoying me. So, and Armando is kind of and then there he is in the bedroom. Now I get to be free. Yay. And I need help. I'm doing this. No. Daddy wouldn't help me open this, so I guess that's fine. Now I put this one, and I need more 3 one. Yahoo! And yeah, there. And then we need 2 middle ones. So this one is here. And then this one right here. We want to put a little more squares on there. And now, after I put this square on right here, and this is kind of tough because I haven't did Legos in a long time. And then we put this like clear blue one right here. And then we put it like that. And then we do like this. And then we do like this. Hope this won't fall this time. And then we do like that. And then we do like this for little birds. Oh, I see. I need one middle piece right there. Here we go. There you go. Back in the zone. Going back in the play zone. There you go. Now, then we do that. And this little round piece, I need it to go right here. And then, ta-da! We need to take this off for a moment, but I don't want to because I want to mess up it. So then we put this. And then we do this. And then we do this. And then we need a 2-layer piece. It kind of slipped out of my hand, which is so funny. And we put this little piece, put it right here. And then put it where's the piece at? Here it is. And then we do this. Now it's a whole one, and I'm kind of mixing it up. So which is the greatest about making them? Making it. And then we put this little rainbow thing. I don't know what it's called. So we just like to call it rainbow thing or castle door or something like that. And this is the top of the door. And then we do this and put it right here. And then, even though it's a castle that has one eye, but I don't want to do it right now because I'm still building, and I don't want to mess up it. Let me fix that. Must have not been on that well. And I kind of don't need help because I've been doing this since I was 3 or 1, 3 or 2, 1, or 1, not 1, or 1. Now we put it here, like a chair, and this is the headboard. But I'm still trying to make it. It will be super beautiful at the end. So that's that started at the end. That's that started. And that is still my baby brother. You can still kind of hear him. I can too. He never stops fussing. Sometimes. Now we put this right here, and then we put another one right here, and then we need a straight piece, another straight piece. Here it is. And we put it right here. And why isn't it going? There it goes. And then we put one more of this. And then we need one more to here we go. And one. And the 2-layer piece. What was that? The 2 piece that I had? Here it is. I know, but I was just born a little while ago, so I I still have kind of tears in my eyes. That's kind of funny. It's not that funny because I just broke it a little. And breaking is not funny. Here I go. And here we go. And there we go. And a couple more pieces right here, and they was already stacked. And I kind of want to do all of them because I'm getting around good. So I'm doing this one right here. And then I am doing this one right here. Where is it? Here it is. Silly Armando. My silly brother. And I know that twinkling is kind of in here, but that's okay because it's just Armando. And Armando is okay twinkling. So now we're still doing it kind of. And now we only need one more, and what is this one? And bam! And I want to actually do this one because I've been waiting to do it. We might need to take this one off. If you can actually tell, this is a circle piece. And this is not macrame like my mommy's. These are Legos. These are Legos, so welcome to my land. And now I'm not done. Do you like my, let me put these before all of it, like say the West, or would I forget about this? Because it's kind of cute, and I want to put this in the middle, so it's fire. Now, one more right here, and one more of these. Now, thanks for watching. Bye.